how to do a sum in Excel. So it was very simple in Excel. So this is the icon which you need to use. So for example, let's say I want to do a sum for the entire salary of this particular players. These are all cricket players and their salary and their bonus. So I want to sum up entire this salary. So what we can do is you just need to put your cursor here and direct click on sum icon here. Double click on it so it will bring the sum value here. Okay, I will just put some color over here and again bring your cursor or here on the columns here at the end and just double click on the sum option here. So it will also bring the sum. And parallelly, if you want to add these two cells, okay, so like salary and the bonus. So put your cursor over here and double click on the sum. So it will bring the total value. Okay, and I want to drag it till the end. So for that, what you have to do is double click on it. So it will bring the values for each players here. And if I still want to do a sum for this one also, I just need to double click on it. So it will bring the total values. So this is how we can do a sum, and we can use the icon here to do the sum for any cells or any rows. Thank you.